Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss any of my videos. In this video, I would like to explain how to change the background for a PowerPoint presentation slide. So how to change the background for a slide. So we'll see the different background slides, different background designs. So do watch the video till the end. I would like to explain it clearly at the basic level so that you can understand it in a better way. So do watch video till the end. So we'll see how to change the background design. So I am selecting a slide. So here you have the option after home insert design. So you have the option design. So in this way also we can do. I will show the another way also. So design. So in this you can find the default design styles. So whichever you want, you can directly select it. So suppose I want this, directly I can click on this. So see here. So the background is completely changed into that particular slide. So I want this type background, then it is changed in this way. So if I want this, then the background is completely changed. And see here in this way. And another way, if you don't want the backgrounds to be only this design which are available, and you can also change the slides into your required background. So let me take the another one. So I'll change the design. So click on the slide, right click on the slide. So here you can see the format background. So see here, if I right click on this, the text related options will be shown, like format shape, format text effects, all that. So if you want to know about the format text effects, already I have uploaded the video. You can go through that video too. I'm going to link up at the end of this video. If you want to change the background, then click here. So you can see the option format background. Click on that, and here you can find the option fill. So in this, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill, hide background, graphics or color transparency. So these are the different options you can see. So I am selecting this solid fill only. So here you have to choose the color whichever you want. So click on this and select the required color. See, so the background is changed into that particular color other than this available designs. And I would like to change one more color. See here. So like this, you can change the direct solid fill backgrounds to your slides. See. So like this, you can select the colors and you can type the text. And moving to the solid fill, this you know. So moving to the gradient fill. So select here. So let me go for no fill now. Another slide. So picture or texture fill. So I am selecting this. You can insert a picture from a file or online pictures. So if you have any see, suppose if you want to explain about one-way slab and you want the background of that one-way slab, so select that picture and then that will be available here, and you can type the text, required text. So right now I am taking the online pictures. It is loading. So take the picture whatever you want. So right now I am taking building. So I am selecting a random building. Insert. See, the background has changed into that particular selected picture. So like this you can insert different pictures whatever available on the online, and also the required background already saved image. So let me show one more. So insert online pictures, grass. So randomly I am selecting one image. So I am explaining slowly, and so that you can understand each and every step, because I am teaching at the basic level. So select the required grass image and insert. See, the complete background has changed into this particular grass image. So like that you can change the different images which are available with you or available on the online. And we'll see the another changes or another styles. So see here, you can directly change here the texture. See, it has changed into this. So like this directly also you can change the background. So moving to this gradient, directly you can change the background color. So gradient, so present gradient, select the color. See, like this you can change a color type also. You can change radial or rectangular. So see the picture properly, see the slide. So now it is in this way. If I change into the linear, it is changing. So path, so like that, like this. Shade from title means title will be somewhat transparent and moving to the bottom level. Like this you can change the backgrounds by gradient fill. So now pattern fill, we'll see the pattern fill. So already few patterns are available here. So you can select the pattern and you can change the color also. So you can change the different colors. See the patterns. See here. So you can change the colors also to this patterns. Foreground, background, that also you can change. See. So if I have maroon, the background is blue and foreground is maroon. Like this you can change the different colors. See here. So like this you can change the different background patterns. So you can hide the background patterns also. So like this you can change the different background designs to your particular required slide. So if you want any other information or any other topic, you can comment down in the comment section so that I can come up with that particular videos. So thank you for watching video till the end. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.